Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a company that's been in the news a lot lately, Basecamp. Basecamp is a project management software company that's been around for over 20 years. They're known for their simple and easy-to-use interface, and they're used by a variety of businesses and organizations, including NASA, the New York Times, and the United States Army. But how much money does Basecamp make? That's a question that a lot of people have been asking lately. And in this video, I'm going to try to answer that question as best I can. Before we get into the numbers, let's talk a little bit about Basecamp's business model. Basecamp offers two main products, Basecamp Pro and Basecamp Business. Basecamp Pro is a project management software that's designed for small teams and individuals. Basecamp Business is a more robust project management software that's designed for larger teams and organizations. Basecamp's pricing is based on the number of users on your team. Basecamp Pro starts at $99 per month for up to 5 users. Basecamp Business starts at $299 per month for up to 10 users. So, how much money does Basecamp make? Well, according to their website, they have over 3 million users. So, even if we assume that only a small percentage of those users are paying customers, Basecamp is still making a lot of money. In 2019, Basecamp's revenue was $48 million. This was an increase from $40 million in 2018. So, Basecamp's revenue is growing steadily. Of course, it's important to remember that these are just estimates. We don't know how much money Basecamp makes in profit. However, based on the information that we have, it's safe to say that Basecamp is a very profitable company. So, what does this mean for the future of Basecamp? Well, I think it means that Basecamp is here to stay. They're a well-established company with a strong product offering. They're also growing quickly, and they have a lot of room to grow in the future. So that's all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about business and finance. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and healthy.